we're going to be playing a factor captor game. This is how you play the game. I'm going to kind of skip to the directions. Go ahead and turn in your student reference book to student reference page 306. Go ahead and pause until you get to that page. All right, once you're on 306, I want you to take a look at this game. It's actually pretty fun. You're going to be making some factor rainbows. You're going to be playing against a partner. Here's how the game works. I'll read the directions for you. To start the first round, player 1 chooses a 2-digit number on the number grid. So make sure player 1, whoever is that with your partner, chooses a 2-digit number. So let's say you pick number 25, or your partner does. Cover it with a counter. So we basically cover 25. This is the player 1 score for the first round. So player 1 has a 25. Player 2 covers all the factors of player 1's number. This is what we mean by that. We have the number 25. What are all the factors of 25? We have 1, we have 25. Can 2 go in 25? No. Can 3? No. Can 4? No. Can 5? Yeah, 5 times 5. So all the factors of 25. Let's go ahead and go back here. We'll cover the 1. We'll cover 2 5s. Those are the factors. So player 2 had a 1 plus a 5 plus a 5. Everyone finds the sum of the factors and records it. This is player 2's score. So player's 2's score right here would be 11 points. So after the first round, player 1's got 25 points, player 2 has 11 points. Keep those numbers in mind. Now, next round, if player 2 missed any factors, player 1 can cover them up with the counters and add them to his or her score. So let's say you missed a 1 or a 5, okay? We're right here in the directions. In the next round, players switch roles. Player 2 chooses a number that is not covered by a counter, and player 1 covers all the factors. So let's say in this next round here, you pick the number 30. So player 2, I believe, had 11 points plus 30. Okay, so they have 41 points now. Well, player 1 started off the game with 25 points, and now they have to find all the factors of 30. So I would use your factor rainbow so you don't miss any, or else your partner's going to take them from you. 2 times 15, 3 times 10, 5, and 6. So there's quite a few here. So you can take a look back here and make sure that you cover them as you go. Well, you get a 2 here, you'll get a 3, you'll get a 5, you'll get a 6, you'll get a 10, you'll get a 15. So when you add those up, it's going to add up to quite a bit of numbers. So you have 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 10 plus 15. So this equals 5, 10. We've got 16, 26, 26 plus 15, 41. So they're going to add 41 here. So player 1's doing really well here. So keep in mind, kids, the strategy of this game now is you want to pick a high number. So you want to pick a big number that doesn't have many factors in it. Do you understand that strategy now? So if I pick like the number 15, for example, the only factors that can go into 15 that someone will be able to score on are 1, 15 is already taken. But if they take 3 and 5, so 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 5 is 9. Do you see how one partner gets 15, the other one gets 9? So keep that in mind while you're playing this game. Hopefully you enjoy it. Take a look at these examples down at the bottom of the page. So James covers a 27. So James gets 27 points. So that's the score. Emma covers a 1, a 3, and a 9. And scores 1 plus 3 plus 9 equals 13 points. So Emma actually has 13 points now. James has 27. Do you see how 27 is a pretty strong number? So keep that in mind when you're playing this game. Another part, once you're done with the game today, we work on a little assignment here. This is what your study link looks like. Some more factors of a number. Please don't miss any. Don't leave any out. Up here, you're just going to answer, is this factor part of 15? So I just make a factor rainbow of 15, and then you can kind of figure out there what numbers go into it. Looking down here, you're going to make a factor rainbow for each one of these numbers on scratch paper. Then go ahead and list your numbers. Order them from smallest to largest, please. And you'll also be doing the bottom of the page with adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. Keep in mind, this symbol means divide. And of course, if you have any questions while you're playing the game today, I will walk around, help you out, make sure the games are nice and competitive with each other. Good luck, kids.